Well, I was gonna vlog today and then I ended up vlogging like half of my day, so we'll just go from there. So
O teu sorriso era assim quando olhavas para mim.
hey everyone, what's up? So it's been raining like crazy for the last 2 days, and I got these flowers from the garden store last week, and it's been raining every single day since then. So now we have a little bit of sunshine, so I'm gonna get these in the ground really quick and explain my process. So I did some really basic shallow trench composting out here to get the soil quality a little bit restructured and better so that it will hold some nutrients. The worms are out because of the rain. I'm kind of going out of my comfort zone by actually planting flowers. I've always been kind of like a really functional gardener where I just like to plant herbs and veggies and like native plants to attract certain insects and stuff, but I just kind of decided to go really basic this year and just get some really pretty annuals, just some pretty annual flowers to kind of spice up our front yard. I've just been kind of following my impulses lately and just like flowing, so whenever I feel like being creative, I just let it happen. It's not really something that you can plan. The other night, I just felt like drinking coffee and painting until 4 in the morning, and I did it, and it just felt so good. Like, it's just what I needed in that moment. It kind of helping me really keep more connected to myself and all the things that I daydream about doing while I'm at work or with friends or whatever. And I've also been getting more into crafting. My boyfriend surprised me with this really cute frame. He put a picture of my new little kitten in there and it just made my day. I went ahead and picked out some wood letters and then applied those, and it just looks so cute, and it's got his name on there. And I like these little just spurts of creativity, and I've been kind of adding them into my day as like sort of a reward. So like I'll do something productive and then I'll do something creative, and then it gives me like that second win, so then I can do more and achieve more in my day, and it's been a really healthy balance. So yeah, I've been really loving creative activities lately.